In this video, we are going to learn how to make money from online courses in LearnDash. As you know, LearnDash is a popular WordPress LMS plugin with lots of powerful features. You can download LearnDash from the link in this video's description. So without further ado, let's start. Now, using LearnDash, you can create online courses and sell those courses, and you can earn money through that. Now, there are various ways of monetizing your courses. We will be discussing about those methods. So the first method that we are going to talk about is the one-time payment. So let's get to our WordPress dashboard. And from here, first we're going to go to courses. And you can see that we have two courses over here. And if you want to learn how to create courses in LearnDash, we have a video tutorial on that topic. We will put the link of that tutorial in the video description so you guys can learn more. We have a course over here. We're going to click on edit. And this is going to allow us to edit our course. And from here, we are going to go to the settings. From here, we can see some enrollment mood. We have open, free, buy now, recurring, and closed. So if you want to offer one-time payment course, now this is something that many students prefer as they don't have to pay recurring fees. So you can offer one-time payment. So if you add this payment over here, so once you do this, you can click on save and your course will be monetized. Now, if we take a look at how this is looking in the front end, we're going to click over here. Now, we have already completed the course, but how will this look like from someone who isn't enrolled? So we are going to log out of our WordPress admin dashboard and see. Now, as you can see, we have logged out, we're not enrolled, and the price is over here. So students have to pay this price in order to enroll to this course. Now, you can also use WooCommerce to sell your courses. In that case, you have to make this course closed. Okay, so after you make this course closed, click on save. Then we have to get back to our dashboard. From here, we also have to install an add-on. So if we go to LearnDash add-on, we can see there's an add-on called WooCommerce for LearnDash. After you install and activate it, you will have more options. So then you go to products, add new product, use the same name of your course over here, and then you can choose the course from here. In this way, you can sell your LearnDash courses using WooCommerce as well. Now, there's another method, which is the recurring. So if you want to provide an ongoing course, then you can use this recurring payment method. And in this case, students will have to keep paying a certain fee for a certain amount of time. Now, here you can add course price. You can also add a billing cycle. From here, you can choose every month. So we have written 1 over here. That means once every month, student has to pay a price. So if we enter a price over here, this means students have to pay $40 every month. And let's say the course duration is 1 year, so we can insert the recurring time to 12. So they have to keep paying once every month. You can also add a course trial price, course trial duration, and finally the enrollment URL. In this way, you can add recurring fees. Now, many of students are inclined on paying for ongoing lessons as long as they can get values from those lessons. Courses like music, art, sports, etc. can have subscription-based payment models. Due to the nature of these courses, it's more logical to add a subscription payment model to these, and students will more likely pay for these as it will add more value. So this is the recurring model. Also, you can use plugins like MemberPress, Restrict Content Pro, or MemberDash to add membership levels and add the subscription features to your courses. Now, there's another way through which you can monetize your course is to offer the course for free, but make a paid certificate. So if students want to get certified, they will have to purchase it. Okay? In this way, you can build trust among your students because you're offering the course for free and students can get the knowledge they want. But if they want to get certified, they have to pay for the certificate. Now, to do this, you have to do some manual work. First, you have to make this course free. Then you have to click on save. Now, since this isn't a tutorial, so we are not going to show you the step-by-step process, but I'm going to discuss a little bit how you can do this. So what you do is first install an add-on, which is the LearnDash Certificate Builder add-on. Once you install and activate this, you will have the certificate builder through which you can build your certificate. Now, if you guys want to learn how to create certificates using the certificate builder of LearnDash, we have a tutorial for that. We will put the link of that tutorial in the video description so you guys can learn more. We have a certificate over here. What we did is we created this certificate and then we went to the WooCommerce product section. So let me show you. We created a product with the same name of this certificate and this generated a product. Then what we did was we went to the course page. Now here is our course and you can see that we have already completed our course. If we scroll down, Here you can see there's a link that says buy certificate. Now if we click on it, it will lead us to the checkout page, and here we can see that there's the price of the course, and we can finally proceed to checkout. Now the way this was done, if I show you, let me go to the course page and let's click on edit course. From here, if we scroll down, so the logic behind this is the certificate will only be available for the students to pay and download only if they have completed the course. So in this case, we added this shortcode over here, and this is the course complete shortcode. We added the ID of the course, then we added the link, which is the link of our product that we created using WooCommerce, and we also added this link, cart, ? Add to cart, and this is the product ID. And finally, we added the quantity, and we added our link, which is the buy certificate. And finally, we closed the course complete that we opened over here. Using this link, we made this button. So now only when students complete this course, they will be able to see this link or this button. So let me actually show you. I'm going to view this. Now let's log out of our admin dashboard and see. Here we can see the course is over here. It's free now, and we don't see the button link here anymore. So that is how you can offer free courses with paid certificate, and that is one way of monetizing your course. Now, another method of monetizing your course or making money from your course is by offering tiered pricing model for your courses. Now, in this model, what you can simply do is offer some portion of the course at a price, or you can offer it for free. Then you can charge for some advanced materials. Now, what do I mean by that? Say, for example, we have a course over here. If we view it, here you can see we have 3 lessons. So for the first lesson, you can make this lesson free. For the second lesson, you can make it paid. For the third lesson, you can offer even more. So for example, if I say we have the first lesson, we can make this free. For the second lesson, for example, we can offer it for $20. And for the final lesson, we can make this a $40 course. Now, by default, LearnDash doesn't provide multi-tiered pricing, but you can do it in simple steps. If you want to do it for free, there's a bit of manual work for this. What you can simply do is create 3 separate courses for this, and each one with their own price tiers. Then you can add the prior courses as prerequisites of the advanced courses. So let me quickly show you how you can do this. So if we go to the builder and if we take a look at the settings, what we can simply do is make this one free, and then we can create another course with the advanced contents. And what we can do is go to the access settings, go to prerequisite course, and then we can add those courses from here. So students have to complete the previous courses in order to access this course. In this way, we can add in as many as we want. So you can create multi-tiered pricing for your courses. You can also use plugins such as MemberDash or MemberPress to create multiple groups for your courses. We have a tutorial on MemberDash, which is a membership plugin. In that tutorial, we created different membership levels for our LearnDash courses and added different courses for each of those membership levels. Using this method, you can also offer tiered pricing for your courses. You can find the link of that tutorial in the video description. Now, another method of monetizing your course is pre-selling your course. Now, if you already have an existing audience, this might be a lot easier for you. In this way, you can pre-sell your course and make money even before your course is out. So to do that, what you can do is use a WooCommerce extension. So if we go to the WooCommerce extension and search for an extension, now the extension is called WooCommerce Pre-Order. You can see over here. Now using this, you can add the pre-order feature to your courses and you can pre-sell your courses. But also there's an issue over here. You can see that this extension isn't available for free. It charges you $179 annually. Now, if you want a free option, you can still do it, but it will require some work. For that, you have to go to your courses, and let's say this is the course that I want. I'm going to edit it. And then what we have to do is go to the settings and make this course closed. Now students won't be able to access this course. We can simply click on Save Changes. And for this, we need WooCommerce again. And after it's closed, we can go to WooCommerce and go to Settings. Then we can go to the Payments tab. And then we want to enable the PayPal payment method. But in my case, I don't see PayPal over here, but that's okay. We can install PayPal through the extensions. So we're going to head over to WooCommerce Extensions and search for PayPal. then we can install PayPal payments. So this is free to download. You can get this extension. This will add PayPal to your WooCommerce. So once you have this extension, you can connect your PayPal with your WordPress website. And once this is done, you can add a checkout button on the course sales page. And through that, you can sell your courses. And once the course is live, you can manually enroll students. So that's also a neat way to make money from your courses. Now, there's one final method that I want to discuss is the course bundling method. So if you have WooCommerce, you can bundle your courses and sell 2, 3, or even more courses at once. So for this, what we have to do is go to products, and then we have to click on add new product. But before you do anything, make sure that you have the WooCommerce for LearnDash add-ons installed. So if we click over here in the add-ons, you can see that we have WooCommerce for LearnDash installed and enabled. You can find it over from this section. Okay, so once this is enabled, we can go to the add new product. From here, we can add a name to our product. So we have 2 courses over here. You can see this is a course and this is a course. We have bundled this course together. Now we can give a name to this product. We can add a description. We can add a discounted price for both of these courses. As students are purchasing both of these courses, they might expect some discount. And then finally, when you're ready, you can publish your product. In this way, you can bundle your courses and sell more courses. So these are the methods through which you can easily make money from online courses using LearnDash. We hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on WordPress.